What if I told you that this little device could listen to the land and tell us a story? At Natural State, we use acoustic sensors to track and identify the calls of birds, the rustle of mammals, the hum of insects, and so much more. We believe in the power of proof. We use technology to measure and track nature's recovery, turning abstract hope into measurable change. Think of us as nature's accountant. We count birds instead of dollars. These acoustic sensors are like ears in the world, capturing the sounds of life. Isn't it crazy we can tell the difference between the sounds of beetles and ants? The more bird songs and animal calls we hear, the healthier the ecosystem. When an area goes quiet, it's nature's warning sign that something is wrong. These acoustic sensors are just a start. The real innovation lies in what happens next. Our AI model steps in to make sense of it all. Right now, we are training the AI to recognize specific bird calls and other sounds, turning raw recordings into reliable insights. It's like teaching AI to speak the language of nature. This technology helps us understand how restoration projects like this one is progressing. When we can hear specific bird species return or detect new animals' activity, we know the land is healing. And every sound is a data point, proof of progress. The beauty of technology is scalability. With AI analyzing large volumes of sounds recordings quickly, we are paving the way for quicker, smarter restoration efforts over vast areas. This means we can measure success at scale, something that was nearly impossible before. But here's the thing, the land itself holds the answers. To restore it, you first have to know it. These sensors help us listen to the land in ways people never could, capturing the subtle details others might miss. At Natural State, we are ahead of the curve, using groundbreaking technology like acoustic sensors and AI to track the progress of restoration projects faster and smarter. This is not just about innovation, it's about giving the land a voice and using that technology to bring it back to life. That's the art of conservation.